everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia. If you're new to my channel, if you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I want to thank UNice for sponsoring this video and sending over this number. Isn't she gorgeous? She is so freaking beautiful, you guys. If you want all the details to this wig, please continue to watch. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. I'll leave that right here so you guys can follow me over there. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and let's get into this wig install because she is just gorgeous, ain't she? Ain't she? All right, you guys, we are back. We are working with UNice today. All right, so first you get your sack bag. So first you get another little sacky, some wig caps, melting band, a baby hair brush with the extra head on there. Love that. And we have our wig. First you get your little bye-bye knot stickers. These are really useful if you don't want to use glue. You just stick these right onto your forehead or your wig and then just stick it on like a sticker. Very easy. It's like double back tape. So we have a 7x5 bye-bye knots lace wig. I believe this one is 24 inches. The lace is already cut. It's already plucked, and the lace is pre-bleached as well. So it is ready to go. It looks so good. The construction of the wig, look at all that lace. Love that. So it's 7 inches left to right, 5 inches deep. We've got our adjustable elastic band. We've got a comb on the bottom here, and then our adjustable straps on the side. And then it does have a little C shape. Ooh, there we go. We have a little C shape here for your ears, so it should fit really nice and comfortably. And then the lace also does stretch to your head, so it should be a nice, comfortable fit. All right, this is a body wave and it's 24 inches. Very bouncy and nice. It's nice and thick. The hair does not have any smell. It just smells like regular hair, nothing strong at all. So we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put some, I've actually got some lace tint I'm gonna put on here. And then I'm gonna try a couple different hairstyles for you guys today. And then I'll come back at the end with my final thoughts. Yes, the hair feels so good. Oh, look at my fingers just running straight through it. Ooh, ooh. All right, let's get into it. All right, you guys, I completed my first style. This is so cute. The curls came out so voluminous. Look how big and just full this hair looks. It looks so gorgeous. So easy to curl. If you guys ever want hair that's going to hold a curl, always get like curly or body wave. Don't get straight. If you get straight hair, just wear it straight every day. If you try to curl your straight hair, the curls are not going to hang. But body wave and curly does so well, and I can just tell that these ones are going to last. Again, the wig is still glueless, you guys. Let me put the comb all the way back in there. It is still glueless. Oh, it's beautiful. All right, I'm gonna try one more hairstyle for you guys real quick, and then I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so that is my review on this wig. It is absolutely gorgeous. If you guys want a voluminous look like this with a full head of hair, definitely get you this. Look at how beautiful this is. Oh my gosh, actually I didn't show you guys the back, so let me show you the back real quick. Oh my gosh, it's so stunning and just elegant. It's so beautiful. Thank you again, UNice, for sponsoring this video and sending over this wig to me. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the information on this wig, as well as a discount code. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. Give this video a thumbs up and drop a comment below. Thank you so much for coming to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.